How to create custom shape logo in Canva. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. And on the screen is the brand name that needs a logo, which is Urel Apparel. And for today's custom shape, I'm going to be using letters to achieve this. And we are going to be using shapes to achieve these letters. Now you want to head over to elements and tap on it, and also head over to where you see shapes and tap on see all. So I'll be needing a U and an A, so I'll just look for shapes that can actually give me this. Now for the U, I just got one. Now I didn't like the color that it came in, so I'll just head over to the color palette and change it to black. Now I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this. I'll duplicate it into two, and then also I'll go ahead to change the second one I just duplicated. I'll change the color to white. Now the next thing you want to do is to adjust this until it fits. Now you want to adjust it until it looks like a U, and this is exactly what I'm trying to achieve here. And over here I'm looking for a shape that I can achieve an A with, and I just got it, so I inserted it to my page. Now I have to turn this around for it to be like an A, and this is exactly what I did. I also changed the color from purple to black, as you can see. Now let's go ahead to duplicate this, because to achieve an A we need a duplicate. Now we're going to be changing the duplicate color to white, and then you want to go ahead to adjust this second one. Now you're going to be adjusting until it starts to look like an A. Now there are so many ways you can put these two letters together to give you a custom logo for your brand, but my A is not yet complete, so I'll head over to elements, and then I'm going to be uploading a line. Then I will adjust this line size. I will adjust it so it can fit the A that we have. So this is me reducing it. I also went ahead to increase the thickness of the line, and I will just gently place this on the A, and we've just formed our letters for the custom logo. And this is me just simply adjusting the letter to where I want it, and you've just formed a custom logo for just your brand. You can also involve the letters we just made into other things to spice up your logo, but it can also stand on its own as your custom logo. And this is how you create custom shape logo in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.